आपने कभी सोचा है कि क्यों कोई पोर्टफोलियो मार्केट्स की एक्सट्रीम वॉलेटिलिटी को भी सर्वाइव कर जाता है और क्यों कोई हाईली इंपैक्टेड होता है? इसका एक सिंपल रीजन है, एसेट एलोकेशन। तो चलिए इसके बेसिक्स को समझते हैं। Asset allocation is the strategy of spreading your investments across different asset classes like equities, bonds, commodities, real estate, and even cash. Now, here's the thing. Asset allocation isn't just about putting a little bit in everything. It's about finding the right mix जो आपके goals, time horizon, risk tolerance जैसे factors पे based है. Let's understand this with an example of Aryan and Mr. Rajesh. Aryan is a 25-year-old. He started his first job. He's young and he has a longer time horizon to invest. He's looking for high growth and he's willing to take more risk. अब ऐसे केस में Aryan की equity allocation in his portfolio will be higher as compared to fixed return generating assets like FD or bonds. On the other hand, we have Mr. Rajesh. He's 55 years old, he's approaching retirement. इनका investing approach will be more conservative and a bigger chunk will be in more stable investments like bonds, FDs or even real estate. अब इन्हीं के केसेस में let's see how asset allocation works in real life. Suppose Aryan and Mr. Rajesh start investing at the same time with their own investment strategies. Aryan believes in the power of stocks, so he invests nearly 90% of his portfolios in equities. Mr. Rajesh, on the other hand, थोड़े balanced है. He believes in the power of diversification, so he puts 60% of his money in equities, 30% in bonds and 10% in real estate. Now let's say कि market में एक sudden downturn आ जाता है. The stock market drops by 20%. What happens to their portfolios? Aryan, with his 90% equity portfolio, sees his wealth drop by 18% in just one market downturn. Mr. Rajesh, though, only loses about 12% thanks to his diversified portfolio. Remember, in the long term, the key to stability in your portfolio is balancing between growth and safety. ऐसी और जानकारी के लिए टाटा कैपिटल की वेबसाइट से जुड़े रहें और हमारे सोशल मीडिया पेजेस को फॉलो करें।